Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're be doing monkey on the shelf, and we have the lava monkey right here. So let's just everyone get on the shelf. Everyone on shelf. Ooh.
There's another shelf in 10 seconds. I'm tagging you.
Oh, everyone get on. It's over here.
Guys, I'm gonna tag all of you. It's this shelf. No, it's that shelf.
What shelf?
It's this shelf.
This shelf.
This shelf because city got revamped. Is this shelf because city got
Yo. High five.
Okay. Wait, where do you guys have to get to?
Mirrors.
The mirror. Okay.
High five me.
First, I eliminate this.
You deleting that?
I eliminate this. Why is
That's
everybody
so
going
easy,
like
bro.
this thing? Why is your shoes broken? No, I'm not following them. I really actually just thought of it.
Exactly.
I don't know what he's eliminating.
Oh, let's go! Let's go!
I touched it.
We touch mirrors. We touch mirrors. I touch mirrors. I touch mirrors. I touch mirrors. I touch mirrors.
Why'd you green? Yo. I got green. This kid's green. Purple, we made it.
Let's go!
I went to dead. How many shiny rocks?
4,500. You guys ready?
Yes, we got a great ball.
Okay, what's the next thing you're deleting?
Next, I eliminate this.
Easy peasy lemon
Did
squeeze.
you eliminate?
He eliminated. Will.
This.
Did you eliminate, bitch?
He eliminated
Okay.
this.
How am I doing this? It's one hand.
Wait, this isn't
I
eliminated.
touched it.
Yes, it is.
I was eliminated from the other round.
Okay.
We have
Okay, next I eliminate. Next, wait. So I've eliminated that and that. Next, I eliminate this.
Okay, bet.
Other side.
Hurry up. I'm gonna tag you.
Easy.
Oh, I thought he fell for a second. Got it.
Let's go.
I tagged it.
Bro, get out of my way. Now I got tagged. I'm still going.
It wasn't me. Heading back to the shelf. I'm heading back to the shelf. Okay, next.
This.
No.
Eliminate. Bro.
No.
Let's
restart.
eliminate this.
No, we got
We're
restart.
eliminating this, cousin.
I eliminated restart. We're restarting.
No, I touched the mirror and then someone accidentally touched me, bro.
Guys, we gotta restart. Second round, me and Green won. Second round, me and Green won that round. Me, him, and Green. We all won that round. All right, what are you deleting?
Bro, wait, hold on.
Love Monkey, what are you deleting?
Don't start. Bro, what the helicopter. Can you connect my controller?
I'm practicing my mewing.
No, what are you deleting?
Okay, I don't.
Wait, don't tag me. I'm connecting my controller.
You can't be off. I tag him.
Wait, don't tag me. Don't tag me. Wait, I'm tagging my controller. I'm connecting my controller. Bro, okay, I'm breaking. That's it. Bro, I was connecting my controller. Learn how to.
There, tagged it. Okay, I touched it.
Don't tag anyone.
You grieved first. He grieved first. It's not my fault.
Oh, I fell. It's not my fault. Okay, I touched the mirror.
That's what I touched mirror.
We started.
I touched the mirror. Okay, hurry, come back.
None of you told me that we.
Okay, what do you eliminate now?
We're gonna eliminate this.
Wait, what did you first eliminate? Okay, bet.
He already eliminated this.
And this. Easy, bet.
Jay, touch ground. I'm just kidding.
Yo, I hit my.
No, I touched the ground, tag me.
Woo!
No, I did good.
Okay,
I did good.
this is
good job.
this is the
scariest
jump. You did good.
No!
Do good.
Yes, don't tag me!
I touched it. Bro, you're in my way. I gotta restart now.
Yeah.
No, I win. I won.
No, I did too.
We have a winner.
No, y'all both won.
won.
We both won because he tagged me. I got in his way.
Oh, I'm in. This is easy. Bet. Wait, let me practicing my helicopter, okay?
Helicopter.
Go before you eliminate something. Okay, let me eliminate something. It's this. You were on it. So.
Wait, what did we delete?
I eliminated him because he just died when I deleted it. Bro, get off. Bro, move. You can't be on it. Get off.
I touched mirrors.
Bro, he just grieved. Okay, restart. He grieved. He clearly grieved. I eliminated that one and you were on it. So
No, he got.
I went like this. I went like this and then this before he even said anything.
I touched it.
It's fine. It's
I
fine.
was standing here.
Just play.
I touched her.
I touched her. Mom, come on, hurry. At least she's here. Yeah, I hope she's coming to ban you. Okay. No, she's not. She can't come to city. Okay, I eliminate.
Yes, she can.
Eliminate that shelf. You can't eliminate a shelf, idiot.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, I can.
That's already
Look on the
eliminated.
shelf. Stupid.
No, it's not.
This is eliminated.
No, it's not.
Touch mirrors.
That's eliminated. That's
Touch
eliminated.
mirrors.
And that. You can't go on that one. Wait, let's
try that.
Yes. This is eliminated.
Keep up on my jack. I'm on jack. Well, then it's not that cool.
I touched mirror.
I'm gonna tag you.
You want to tag me?
Okay. I just want to restart this kid. Okay,
what's your name?
Whatever.
I
This is the third time somebody is grieved. Okay, then we're eliminating this shelf.
I touched mirror.
Can I go back?
Hey, you have to start in the middle
Did you
shelf.
eliminate this shelf?
Yes.
Yes.
Get him. You know what to do. Get him.
I didn't touch it. And did you eliminate this shelf?
Yes.
And what do we do?
Which shelf?
Get purple. You touched it.
Oh, wait. Did he eliminate this?
Yes, I jumped up here.
No, we didn't.
Okay, guys, y'all all pass.
We should delete this now. Hey,
After y'all do that, I eliminate.
Hey, run for your life. Hey. Let me hear you say, oh, ouchie.
I touched me. Other lava monkey.
Run.
Other lava monkey. We need to delete this.
Okay. The next round, I delete the pins. I delete the pins.
You're so dumb.
The pins?
Like you are. Dude, delete that.
How will you make that? Oh,
I touched it.
You're running on that.
you can't go on the
Delete
pins.
that and then
Come tag me. I touched it.
Yes, I made it.
You're touching.
Move.
I touched mirror.
You're not gonna make
You
it.
can go on that one.
You can go on that one and that one.
I touched mirror.
Get him.
Guys, after this round, we are ending the video, guys, because
We're deleting this. This is deleted. And now you guys just have to sign.
Oh,
Green's out.
We deleted this.
I didn't mean to. I was running. I was running over here because it's to see if you were touching
You
it.
can go back to the shelf.
Okay, go. You two go.
Okay, do we go?
Yes, go.
Sign.
Did we delete that?
You guys have
What
to
did we
jump to
delete?
sign.
Do we delete that?
No, you guys have to jump to sign.
You go back.
We deleted all of this except for that shelf, and the signs.
Wait, no, that means okay, fine.
I deleted so
Okay,
much
so
stuff.
you can't go on the pins. Yes. Wow, he won.
Come on.
Yes,
Green
I
touched it.
won.
Oh, okay.
No.
Did he touch it?
He touched the
We
floor.
got a winner.
Why'd you tag me?
You won.
Because you were the last one. You.
Yes.
Well, guys,
Going without someone
we might do one more round. We might do one more.
me again.
We're gonna do one more, guys, and the video's gonna end, guys.
Times in a row, I
One more round, guys, and this video's gonna be ended, okay?
He touched the
guys
floor.
are so
He
dumb.
touched the floor. He touched the floor. Tag him.
I did too.
Tag him. He touched the floor.
No, we just.
No, he didn't. Shanny, don't tag him. Don't tag him.
I'm not.
I'm reporting you and you later.
Wait, me?
Delete that
not
shelf.
you.
Delete that shelf.
Not you.
Okay.
Wait, what are you deleting? What are you
You
deleting?
can't delete middle shelf. Bro.
I'm deleting
You delete that?
No,
Dude,
no, 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 no. I'm deleting this shelf.
Okay, bet. Easy.
That's easy.
Keep up on 250. Bro, just tag me.
He got the floor.
No.
Oh, he touched the floor. Sigma.
No.
Bro, you know.
I did it.
I made it. I made it.
I nearly touched it.
Keep up on my jack, on my tempo. This and this again. Then I'm gone. Keep up on my jack, on my tempo.
Come here. Do you think he should? He should have been eliminated. Okay, bet. Come look what he did. Cat ears went like
Wait, do
this.
not tag us. Do not
Cat
tag
ears
us.
was going like this.
Yo, I'm about to do that.
Should he be eliminated?
Yes.
Cat ears was going like this.
Yes.
Okay. He's
I'm the ruler. It looked like he did touch it.
We said
Oh my
pause.
goodness, he was
Keep up on my jack.
Yeah, we
You
did
didn't say
pause.
Paul.
We caught just the mirror. Stop racing.
Why did I get tagged, bro?
Why did you
I'm
just
not sorry.
Everybody
No, they tagged me. Blame it on them, bro.
They lose.
I won because
Guys, we're ending the video.
We both
Let's play Ghost in the Graveyard.
me.
I already did Ghost in the Graveyard video.
No, I changed the mirror. I came back.
let's do Transcendental.
Okay, guys. So we're ending this video today, but we will see you guys in the next video of Sharks and Meadows. Peace out.
Hold on. Don't get tired.